Hello and welcome back to the weekly predictions. It's been over a month that we connected, and in last a month and a half, I was out. I was out for some personal work. When I say personal work, it basically was a religious trip, a trip to Kailash Mansarovar Yatra that generally people long to do, and I've been blessed with your blessings and by God's grace that I could complete this yatra, and it was truly a phenomenal one. Maybe in the coming weeks I'll probably be discussing the experience and sharing it in the form of videos. But then today, moving ahead, as we've been doing in the past, we'll be doing the weekly predictions, and we'll be doing the predictions as we have been doing in the past, like pulling a card as to how exactly the week will be placed, and pulling a card to get the guidance as well as to what exactly should be the motto for the week. So today we'll be using the tarot cards and healing with the angel cards. Somehow I got a guidance to pull cherub cards to get the guidance from there. So I'll be using cherub cards to get the guidance. As we move along, here I pull the first card from the tarot deck and one from healing with the angel cards. I'll pull the guidance card at the end. So this is how the week is slated to be placed. It's basically a mixed week. So if I actually go ahead and do the predictions, it's a week wherein you'll come out victorious. You might have a couple of opportunities coming your way. It's just that you'll have to take decisions on your own. At the same time, this week will also tell you that you are the only one who will actually go ahead and stop anything positive that is coming your way. That means if you stop acting, if you stop performing, things will not work well for you. So you should actually go ahead and perform. You should not hold yourself. Do not hold boundaries. This is the card basically. Do not hold yourself, and do not hold yourself to the boundaries, but keep putting your effort. You will definitely get the best out of it. At the same time, angel cards are here as well, and it also says that if in romance, if we actually look at the card, it beautifully defines that a man is trying to hold a female, and it says it depicts that if you try to hold a lot, things might not come in your control. So let it loose, let it act on itself. Do not try to control things. Do not try to hold things. If you look at the tarot card as well, it shows that the person is trying to hold, the horse in that. So do not hold your boundaries. Do not hold yourself to perform, but keep putting the best that you have always been doing, and you will definitely achieve what you are slated to achieve in future. I'll probably go ahead. I'm somehow getting a guidance to pull one more card from the tarot deck and see as to how exactly the week will be. And here comes. It's a wealth of opportunities in the week. As I said earlier as well, it's a wealth of opportunity. It's just that you have to encash on it, and if you encash it in the best possible way, you will achieve what you have been expecting, what you have been looking forward to achieve in future. Fairly an emotional week is what I will say. A week which is full of emotions. Probably it will start on an emotional moment, and then at the end you will figure it out that it's your effort that is going to help you move forward, and that is going to help you to move to the next level. That is how it will be. So overall, if I comprise, the week will be full of emotions, the week will be full of opportunities, the week might be full of confusions as well, but then do not go into confusions. Instead, keep putting your best foot forward. You will achieve the best. Pulling out a guidance from the cherub cards, it says I've actually got two cards. So these are the two cards that I've got. Beautiful cherub cards it is, and it says imagine yourself happy and quiet time. It says that you need to imagine, you need to think that you are happy. Do not drive negative emotions towards you. Instead, believe in the law of attraction, and law of attraction clearly says if you think happy, you attract happy. So think happy, be happy, imagine yourself happy, and spend some quiet time with yourself. Spend some time with yourself, because talking to yourself is the best thing that you can do. There's someone who had beautifully said, I believe Swami Vivekananda had said, if you are not talking to yourself, you are missing a conversation with the most intelligent person in this world. So do talk to yourself, do spend some quiet time, imagine yourself happy, take actions, believe in actions. Your actions are going to do well for you. and that's how your week is blessed. Until we meet in the next week, I'll probably say what I've been always saying. Take care, God bless, be happy, keep smiling, be good, spread happiness across the world. And trust me, this is what I've learned during my Kailash Mansarovar Yatra trip as well. And it made me learn that it's your inner strength, it's your inner happiness that brings you peace and success. So do believe in that. You definitely will achieve what you are bound to achieve. Universe will give it to you. Stay blessed, stay happy, keep smiling.